Hello, hope you enjoyed my first video. So I will start off with the second topic, that is small angle approximation. So I will like to talk about this topic with point of view of maths and physics. So, but what is the small angle approximation? So, in the last lecture, we learned about a sector of a circle whose radius was r and this angle was theta. So this small angle approximation only works, let's say, if the theta in degrees is less than 5 degrees, right? So that's why it's a small angle approximation. ये angle बहुत छोटा होना चाहिए. So the angle in degrees should be smaller than 5 degrees. So angle in radians कितना होगा? So theta in radians we know it is theta in degrees को हमें किससे multiply करना है? Pi by 180 से. So we have pi by 180 into 5 and this is pi by 36. So you can find the answer in decimals also. This is the angle in radians. So okay, so this angle should be, so this is theta in radians for 5 degrees. So the angle should be smaller than, the theta in radians should be smaller than actually pi by 36, right, in radians. So this works for good for angles smaller than 3 degrees, 4 degrees. So but what is this approximation? So this looks like a very small angle. Okay, this looks like a 10 degree, 15 degree, but I'm saying कि let's say this is a very small angle. So let's say this is O, this is A, and this is B. Okay. So what we want to do a construction from point A. I want to draw a perpendicular on the point on the side OB, and I want to call it P. Okay. So let's see if the angle is very small. So I will draw one more diagram. If the angle is very small, right? ये है sector of a circle. If this angle is very small, and if I drop a perpendicular here, okay. So it will look like kind of this, right? Okay. So there are some approximations that we want to use in this scenario now. And what are those approximations? Let's say this is O, A, B, and P again. So the approximations we want to use. Our OA is equal to OB, that we can see, and both of them are R because this is the sector of a circle and both of them are R, and this is approximately equal to OP. Okay, so as you can see in this diagram, if the angle theta is very small, so OP and OB are almost same, right? And as we found, if the angle was in radians, so this length of the sector is R theta. So okay, so we will write down the value of R theta. R theta is AB, and it is also approximately equal to AP. Okay, so what is small angle approximation? So let's try to find the value of sine theta in triangle and APO. I want to find the value of sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. So sine theta in this triangle is, of course, with respect to theta, AP is the perpendicular. So sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. It is AP by OA, and AP is approximately equal to R theta, right? So approximately, and this is OA is R. So we cancel this, and now we find the answer is theta. Okay. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse, and cos theta is base is OP, and hypotenuse is OA. So it is R by R, and it is 1. And tan theta is perpendicular by base. This is, what is the perpendicular in this scenario? Well, perpendicular, let me check. This is AP, okay, again AP, and base in this triangle with respect to this theta is OP, and this is R theta by R approximately, but what we have is this is also theta. So this is the small angle approximation actually, and what we want to say is Sine theta is equal to theta for small theta. For small theta, sine theta is equal to theta. Cos theta is 1 and tan theta is equal to theta. So as we know, because with the when and this theta is in radians, right? Please remember this theta is in radians. We will do some calculations in this lecture to check, and you will use a calculator also to check those values. So this angle is in radians. Okay, so what does it say? We already know कि sine 0 is 0. Okay. We already know cos 0 is 1. Okay. We already know tan 0 is 0 from your 10th standard. Okay. And 0 is 0, right? Either in degrees or in radians, because 0 radians is the same as 0 degrees, right? But it's saying कि अगर हमारा angle is very very small, it is very very close to 0, right? Then this value is equal to this. Okay. So we want to imply more things from this equation. So first of all, you want to calculate and check, is it true? So for example, I say to you, find the value of sine 1 degree, and you will say, in the whole course of my 10th course, I do not know what is sine 1 degree. कैसे calculate करोगे? You can draw a triangle जिसमें ये 1 degree हो, right? This angle is 1 degree and this is 90 and this is 89, and you can find perpendicular by hypotenuse ka ratio, but that is going to be very very difficult. You have to do constructions, but with this formula we can do this answer for very small angles. But the idea is कि we cannot do it for 1 degree. We need to input the angle in radians, right? So what is 1 degree? I will say I have an equation. 180 degree is pi radians. So 1 degree is pi by 180, right? Pi by 180 radians. So what I can say is this will become sine of pi by 180 radians, and this angle is smaller than pi by 36. This is smaller than 5 degree, right? This is smaller than pi by 36. So this is with this formula, with this approximation, theta should be smaller than 5 degrees or pi by 36. With this approximation, I can say this answer is pi by 180. Okay, and that is approximately 3.14 by 180. Let me use a calculator to find this value. So 3.14 divided by 180 is exactly equal to 0.01744, and it goes on. Okay, so it's an approximate value, right? I say it's an approximation. And now what I am going to do, you can also do that. You can open Google and find the value of sine 1 degree. Okay, so if you use a calculator on Google and you find value of sine 1 degrees, please check if you are finding the answer in degrees, and you find the answer to be 0.017452. Okay, and these two values are very very close, right? So it's an approximation, and it works, Okay, so let's talk about this approximation in more from the point of view of mathematics. You can do more questions from this. You can find, of course, the value of if I say what is cos 2 degrees, you will say approximately 1, right? It's approximately 1 always. For not always, till 5 degrees, let's say, for small angles, right? But for tan, if I say find value of tan 3 degrees, you will convert 3 degrees into radians, and that angle will be the answer. The answer should be in radians. So more use of putting angle in radians, right? So it's a very useful thing. Now, with this equation, sine theta is equal to theta for small angles, right? I want to represent it in one more way. For small angle, so we have sine theta by theta is 1 and cos theta is 1, so this will be same. So I'm not talking about this one, but tan theta is theta, so tan theta by theta is 1. Okay, let's talk cos theta is 1 for small angles, right? So I have rewritten these equations like these. And for small angles, so in mathematics we have a way of representing it. This we generally say limit theta is tending to 0, sine theta by theta is 1. So now we don't have to write this here for small angles, right? So now sine theta by theta is not 1, right? This is only 1 for if angle is very small. Okay, the angle is very small. Okay, and we also write limit theta approaches to 0, tan theta by theta is 1, and limit theta approaching to 0, cos theta is 1. Okay, so these will be the formulas in the chapter limits for your class 11th mathematics, but these can be derived here also. So it's just implying if an angle is very small, so the ratio of sine theta and theta is 1. So you can imply one more thing from this. So everybody knows, but not everybody knows, but we can try to plot it. So I want to plot y is equal to sine theta. Let's say this is my theta axis or x axis. This is my y axis. And we will plot it only for very the angle that you know already. So now we know the angle in degrees and radians. So this angle is of course in radians, so it will be 0. I have till pi by 2, right? Because remember pi by 2 was 90 degrees. So let me mark the other angles also. Let's say 30 was pi by 6, 45 that was pi by 4, 60 degree that was pi by 3, and 60 से 30, 60 से 90 के बीच में थोड़ा ज़्यादा difference है because this difference is 30. This is 30 degrees, this is 45, this is 60 degrees, this is 0 degrees, and this is 90 degrees. I also write, but this is in radians, right? So, and we know the values of sine functions and cos function in the first quadrant from 0 to 90 from your last year. So sine 0 is 0. Everybody knows that. What is the value of sine 30 degree? Half. Okay, it's not going to go above 1. So I can say pi by 2 पे तो answer 1 आएगा, right? Okay, pi by 2 पे answer आएगा 1. Okay, and then pi by 3 पे आएगा root 3 by 2. Pi by 4 पे आएगा 1 by root 2. Half आएगा. The answer will be half at pi by 6. 1 by root 2 and root 3 by 2. So what are those values? So let me draw the lines parallel to the x-axis. So this is root 3 by 2, 1.73 divided by 2. So that is approximately equal to 0.86, let's say 0.86. Then 1 by root 2. So that is 0.707, and this is 0.5. Okay, these are the heights of this. But you have an idea कि sin theta 0 से 90 degree के बीच में ऐसा दिख सकता है, because these are the same values as 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, and 1 by 2. So okay, so it says for very small angles इस range में from 0 to 5 degrees, not till 30 degrees, y is equal to sin theta की जगह I can use y is equal to theta, right? So it's like you have all seen the line y is equal to x, right? So if it was x axis, I can make it x axis, right? Sin x. So and the angle is, let's say x is in radians, so it will be equal to x. So we have all seen, so let's say it is x axis. So we have all seen the line y is equal to x in our previous classes. So y is equal to x is a line that makes 45 degree. It's a line that passes through 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay, so it's just saying for very small angle sin x starts like this, right? It starts at 45 degree, correct? It's like this. It can be approximated as this straight line. Okay. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hope you understand that y is equal to x or y is equal to sin x are not equal. So sin x is not equal to x generally, right? It is only true for very small values, right?